That's it, guys. We have hot coffee. By the way, I have the boiled egg, banana right there, hot coffee with the milk, of course, hot tea with milk, blanched potato with rice. That's it, guys. Just came home at work a while ago. 10 hours duty. It's really hot, but we managed to finish the whole day with a good vibes and a good energy. That's it, guys. Buena appetit, guys. Here we are on the best days of our lives. Gonna make it half, guys. I done it all. I need to put some for tomorrow. Besides, it's night time, guys. I don't want to eat a lot. I prepare tomorrow instead after. I put a lot of potato, blanched potato with with this one. With the black pepper, salt, and everything. I think it's not yet cooked. It's like a little bit raw, honey. It's kind of raw. Is it kind of raw? Hopefully not. Because I'm really hungry, guys. I did not eat rice in a whole day, but this time when I went home, I'm really starving, guys. And this time I need to eat rice in the meal because really. And I have a hot tea with milk. By the way, guys, don't put milk on the green tea or herbal tea. Much better on the black tea. We just apply the milk, hot tea with milk in a black tea, guys. Black tea. I supposed to be to buy outside in a restaurant down in the building, in this building. Fortunately, it's still closed. It takes like half an hour after they gonna open again. But I can't wait, guys. I need to prepare something to eat because I'm really starving and hungry after my work. I did not have rice. I just have 2 banana, 1 orange, 1 apple, 1 Energen with the oatmeal. What else? 1 bread with the peanut butter. With 2 boiled egg, by the way. By the way, if you are starving, don't eat heavy meal right away. Just drink a lot of water or bread or something, snacks. Don't eat junk food while you're hungry. Not good, guys. Or any alcohol or sodas. If you're hungry, don't drink sodas or chips or anything junk food, guys. If you're hungry, drink water, eat some biscuits or banana instead, much better. Or apple, guys. My food is really delicious, guys. Thanks God. And I have a nice tea with milk. It's a red tea, by the way. It's concentrate. You see? This one later coffee. I don't know. I usually now drink coffee before bed. Like for hours. And this one is good before bed. You need to have banana, guys, before bed. It's really great, guys. I can put also with my food. Can eat with my food. So, like in a meal. It's really tasty, guys. With the meal, banana, I can eat together. During my childhood, guys, soy sauce or a little bit oil on my rice with banana, it's really great. And banana, potassium is good for our body. Anyway, guys, I need to finish my food. Have a good day, everyone. God bless, guys. Pray always and keep safe, everyone. Thank you and God bless.